I chose Clarkson University because when I visited after I received my acceptance, I just felt really welcomed by all of the faculty and staff here. All of the students that were presently in the program were also extremely welcoming and kind of advised me that this journey here at Clarkson as a graduate student was something that I should be looking forward to, and you receive a great deal of support from all of your professors here. So I just felt very comfortable and welcomed, and I felt really excited to start my time here at Clarkson.
I chose Clarkson because when I was researching master's programs in occupational therapy, I really liked what Clarkson had to offer. There's a really nice assistive technology program that I found really appealing, and there's also a simulation lab that I didn't find other schools had anything like that to offer.
When I also looked into Clarkson's occupational therapy program, it had a strong science and hands-on experience, and also it provided the sim lab. The view of the sim lab where they actually follow through with the promise of the hands-on experience really drew me in.
I chose Clarkson's OT program primarily because of the simulation lab when I came and visited. I figured my last year in school, or my last kind of run at school, should be really filled with the most resources possible. And when I saw a simulation lab, I was kind of convinced that I would have the best education, and so far it's been correct.
I chose Clarkson University because of the learning spaces we have available. A lot of the other schools that I looked at had smaller learning spaces, bigger class sizes. Here we have a lot of open space to move around, to collaborate, and it makes it feel a lot less cramped.
It's a really, really great school with a great occupational therapy program. I think the main asset that Clarkson has is their sim lab. It's an amazing facility that not every occupational therapy program has, which is really, really important. I know every professor knows me. They know personal details about me, which is really, really nice, and it just makes you feel a lot more supported.
I just wanted to venture out and experience like a totally new experience. And also when I was in my interview, the faculty just seemed extremely helpful, and that they really cared about our success.